Alright, today we're going to be making a holiday game. It's just going to be really simple. You're going to dodge snowmen and collect Christmas ornaments. So I already made the game. I'm going to make a new project. So I'm going to call it Holiday Tutorial. Create the folder, create the project, open up Godot. I'm using the latest 4.2. But you can follow along on any other version. There might be some code differences, but for the most part, it's all the same. Now we're going to start with a node 2D, call it world, save that, and then we're going to add a tile map, save that, and then I have some free assets on itch.io. So it's cosmicgamesstudio.itch.io/free assets. You can go, I have this little pumpkin, Cosmic Game Studio, so it's the free assets. This is my endless runner, and then this is the holiday game one. They're very basic assets, so if you don't want to use them, you do not have to use them either. So we got that, and then you want to import them into your project. So you need to go open your file explorer. Open that up. All right, and then let's go to our downloads. Take this, and we're going to just extract, and then we can just take this folder. Oop, I don't want to go into it. I want to pull it and just put it in here. There you go. Awesome. All right, so we have our tile map, and we need to add a new tile set. Click on the tile set, hit tile set. Then hit snow. Yes. All right. Then let's go click here. We have our one tile. Go, and then we're going to drag. All right. Now we need to make the size of our window. And let me double check. I believe we did 480 by 270. And that's a 16 by 9. Now we need to change it to viewport. Save. All right, we don't actually need our thing to be that big, so we can go erase and then go back here, take this, our erasing still, put it down, perfect, do that, we don't need that one. Awesome, okay, now we got our thing. If we hit play, we would select the current scene, and we just have a bunch of snow, okay? All right, save that. Now we're going to do our player scene. So we're going to hit new scene, and then we're going to find a character body 2D, add that, add a sprite 2D, so you can type in there, sprite 2D. After sprite 2D, we also need a collision shape 2D. That's what that arrow, triangle was saying. Then right here, we have this triangle that's saying that we need a shape. So we want to determine our size. So we're going to put our elf in. We're going to save. We want to call it player. And we want to change this to capital P player. And then right here, we want to add a pill shape. Okay, but the pill shape's going to be too big for our character because we want it to be a little bit easier. All right, so now as I zoom in, we notice that we're seeing a little bit of blurriness on our sprites. To fix that, we go to project settings, open general, and then you go to rendering textures and hit nearest, close, and there we go, we fixed it. All right, now we want our character to move. We don't want to inherit the basic template, so we're going to uncheck that, and so now we're just extending the character body 2D. Now we're going to go use the basic top-down movement, the 8-way movement right here that Godot already provides us. And then we're going to paste it in, save that, and then save our player as scene. There we go, save. And then we want to take our player node and add it to the scene. And let's move him in the center. So we're going to click here to just move him only. Move him towards the center. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to hit play. One thing we're going to recognize is we need to add the input map. So in the here, it says that we need to add left, right, up, down. Okay, so let's type in left, right, up, down, and then I'm just going to map it to the keys. So left would be, oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, left, and then we want right, be D, up, and then down. So WASD, you can also use the arrow keys if you'd like. But I like to use the arrow keys, that's how my hands are positioned. There you go, we're moving around, we're moving a little fast, so let's change that. Alright, hit save. Alright, now we're not as fast. Awesome. Alright, so that's the first part of our game. We have our character body moving around and it moving on the map. We can also make this bigger so you can see the whole entire thing. And we're moving around. Alright, so no animations. I'm not going to do any animations this video, or in this tutorial. But I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.